Hi everyone! So earlier I showed you the more premium Hisense U6GS 55-inch ULED 4K TV. And now let me give you the more affordable 55-inch 4K TV from Hisense, which is the 55A7200FSVI. And this one sells for only 31,950 pesos, making it a great value for money option. Okay, so before anything, let me show you the packaging. So this is the box. As you can see, it's a typical brown carton box, and you have the image of the TV here, as well as this cute kid right here. Okay, so here you have a Hisense's logo. And as you can see here, you have the UEFA Euro 2020 logo. Because Hisense is an official sponsor of sporting events like the Euro 2020 as well as the FIFA World Cup 2020 that will be held in Qatar. Okay, so now let's open the box using my trusty Swiss knife. Okay, so let's start here. All right. There you go. And let's lift the lid. Okay, again, this is the Hisense 55A7200FSVI. So just like the unboxing earlier of the 55U6GS, you have this message from Hisense which shows you a guideline on how to unbox your TV. So I've already read this. And since this is a 55-inch smart TV, I'll have to ask help from my brother, Val of Ballers Pinas, to set it up safely. Continuing with the unboxing, so here we have the two stands for placing the TV on a table. Earlier, with the 55U6GS, we had metal stands, but I believe that these are just very durable polycarbonate. So lifting this. Okay, so we have the TV right there. Okay, so first let's remove all other accessories included in the box. So you have these. Next, this is the free wall bracket or the wall mount. So you need this for attaching the TV to your wall to save space in your home. Here are the other items included in the official retail package of the Hisense 55A7200FSVI. So we have this message from Hisense on how to unbox the TV. This is the user manual, the quick setup guide. Then you have the auxiliary cable for your audio and video, the remote control, as well as the two free batteries for it. This is the Hisense A-Star Service warranty card. So there you go. And then finally, you have the free wall mount right there. Hi everyone, we're back, and now I'm with my younger brother, Val of Ballers Pinas. So thank you for helping me to set up the TV. So he will help me take the TV out of the box, and that's part of the guidelines of Hisense in setting up a TV of this size, 55-inch. Okay, so now we're going to take the TV out. So thank you again, Val, for helping me. Okay, so let's do this slowly. You just have to slowly take it out. Okay, so let's now place it on the table, and I will attach the stand. So let me just show you the stands of the 55A7200FSVI. So here you go. So unlike that of the 55U6GS, These are made of polycarbonate, but they're still very durable. Okay, so we have successfully placed the feet or the stands of the TV, and we can finally place it upright on the table. Okay. Okay, so now I'll remove all of the stickers around it. Okay, so now that I have removed all of the protective stickers, we can finally plug the TV to an electrical outlet using the provided power cord. And then let's turn it on and set it up for the first time. Okay, so this is how the back of the TV looks. And here we have the outlet for the power. And this is where we're going to connect our power cord. Okay, so we'll use a remote control to turn on the TV. Let me just install the batteries. And we have already plugged in our TV to an electrical outlet. And now all we have to do is to click on the power button to turn it on for the first time. Okay, so let's do that. Okay, Hisense. And just like the 55U6GS, the 55A7200FSVI also runs the VIDAA Smart TV operating system from Hisense. Okay, so let's select the language using the remote control. So it's English. And then home mode, confirm. And then here we can connect to our Wi-Fi network at home. So we'll connect to techpinas.com Wi-Fi. Confirm. And just accept the terms and conditions as well as the privacy policy. Alright, so we can sign in to our VIDAA account. But for now, I'm just going to skip this. So this TV also comes with Netflix application. Okay. There you go. So if you're a fan of any TV series, movie, or documentary on Netflix, you can always watch that on the Netflix app on this TV. Yeah, let's go to home. Just click on home on our remote control. Again, this is the VIDAA Smart TV operating system user interface. And this is exactly the same as what you'll find on the Hisense 55U6GS. This TV is a 4K smart TV, so it lets you connect to the internet through Wi-Fi. It also supports Bluetooth connectivity. There you go. And it also has your DTV and ATV antenna. Okay, so it lets you watch the digital channels that are now available here in the Philippines. We have closed caption, parental control. There you go. You can set it up. And here we have the support section. Alright. So what's great about the VIDAA operating system is that it lets you watch videos or watch your favorite content without hassle. So it's very simple. So it's not complicated to use, and you can instantly watch, for example, YouTube here with just a few clicks. While we're watching this high-resolution video, I'll talk about the key technical specifications and main features of the Hisense 55A7200FSVI UHD TV. This one is a 55-inch smart UHD TV with 3840 by 2160 pixels resolution. It has a built-in ISDBT receiver, and it supports 60 Hz vivid motion. It also supports USB device, which allows you to view JPEG, MP3, and MKV content. It also supports HDMI, global TV system, which are PAL and NTSC. It has CCS technology, crystal clear panel, as well as color enhanced imaging. It also has 6 minutes response time, digital comb filter, and real surround sound. So the VIDAA U operating system also comes with the VIDAA Store, where you can download additional applications. It also has a TV browser, and it also supports any Viewcast and has the Netflix, YouTube, and Prime Video apps built in. Alright, so the TV weighs 15.6 kilograms and has dimensions of 821 by 1362 by 145 millimeters. And just like the 55U6GS ULED TV, this one comes with 2 years warranty, care of Hisense. So, is the Hisense 55A7200FSVI the right TV for you? Well, if you're currently looking for an affordable 55-inch TV that has 4K resolution, then I definitely recommend this one. Sure, it doesn't have the ULED technology of the Hisense 55U6GS TV, which is more expensive, but it nonetheless gives you more than decent colors and above average audio experience. On top of having a very accessible 31,950 price tag, you will even get a free wall mount or wall bracket, as well as a free Devant SB-50 Soundbar to further improve the audio experience when you're watching your favorite content with your family. So again, if you're planning to level up your TV experience at home for you and your family, but you're very conscious about your budget because of our current global situation, then definitely you should check out the Hisense 55A7200FSVI. Highly recommended by Tech Pinas.